Good morning, students. In science, we are discussing block 24 space research. In that, we have discussed yesterday about LP1 and LP2 features of the moon and first expedition to the moon, right? So, we compared the earth and moon surface, how it is, everything we have uh, came to know in the last LPs. So, today we will going to discuss about the artificial satellites. So what is moon beta? Moon is a natural satellite which revolve around the earth. Here you can see, right? So today we are discussing about the artificial, which are made by men, which are artificially manufactured by the human beings, right? So those are artificial satellites. Aim of the LP3 is students will be able to identify the various uses of artificial satellite. The keywords which are included are satellite, navigation, satellite maps, broadcasting. So students, on 19th April 1975, newspaper all over the world announced that India had launched, officially launched or entered the space ago. Okay, so what actually it indicates that we launched a satellite in the space. So we Indians have entered into the space. Okay, India has successfully launched its first satellite. What is the name? Aryabhata. Okay, its name is Aryabhata. In the content book you can see the picture has been given, right? Artificial satellite Aryabhata, it has been launched in the into the space when April 1975, in April. Okay, so from the Russia station, okay, from the Russia station means ISRO, which is built by the Indians only. From that station artificial satellite has been launched into the space. So what is natural satellite and what is artificial satellite? So natural satellite is a satellite, heavenly body we can say, that revolves around the earth or any other planets. Same like earth, we have only one natural satellite, but the other planets, they have more than one natural satellites, more moons are there. Okay, so artificial satellite is an which is manufactured by the human beings, that revolves around the earth, okay, in its orbit only. So first artificial satellites in the history, it is Sputnik. Okay, this is a Sputnik 1 was first artificial satellite to sent into the space. Okay, and some satellites are launched into the space to gather the information. Okay, others are send the information from one part of the world to other part. Okay, so today we will read about the how these satellites help us. Okay, by these satellites how it is useful us, what information we are gathering, these all things we will read. Okay, so our satellites are far away from the earth. Here you can see this is you can see this is the earth and this is the Sputnik 1, right? So these are very far away from the earth, but they can take close pictures of the places. Okay, even they can take the pictures of the sedum also, your home also. Okay, and they can navigate the tools. Navigation means maps. In the maps they show the direction in your mobile. How you are getting the directions? Through the satellite only. They are also help, they can also help to find out the peoples, right? And they send the signals. Here you can see they can take the signals and they can give the signals also from the TV. Okay, they distribute the signals to the various cable network, right? Radio station also you can see the broadcasting with the help of the satellite only. Okay, and the live from the TV, if somewhere is something is happening in the world, you can see, you can watch from the home through a live. It is possible through the satellite only. So people can see the live events on the television, what is happening in the different places. Okay, so artificial satellites are useful for long distance communication and forecasting the weather. Okay, if a cyclone is coming ma, okay, cyclone is a natural satellite natural disaster na. If somewhere is cyclone it may appear, means before 2 days only we come to know that there is a tufan, so that we should have to be prepared for it, right? So how it is possible? It is possible due to the satellite only, okay. It tells us that it send the information, it take the picture of the cyclone and can give the information to us, so that we can get ready for that. We can prepare what are the possible, we can prepare for that tufan. We can change our homes from there, okay. What the government they will do, they will shift some most of the people who are which are in that area na, they can shift, okay. So like this we can save our life also. So different satellites send are different, okay. They are only one satellite it will do all work, no. Different satellites are sent to the space for different purpose. Like some of the examples I can give, that is first one is GSAT, means it is launched recently, okay, for the military purpose, okay. So military people they can take the information from this of other countries, so that they will be prepared for their some preparation they can make. And INSAT means another one, it is INSAT 3D, it is a multi-purpose ma'am. It can do many work, like for communication, for broadcasting, for weather reporting, right, and for sending these signals all over your TV, mobile. These all things is possible through the INSAT, okay. Indian satellite, that is, okay. So next one it is these artificial satellites, how these are helpful to us, do you know? Just now I told na, it help us to tell the weather, right. It tells about the, it intimates us about the, it give the warning of the weather also, and so that we can prepare according to it. It can tell about the natural disasters like cyclone before only. It helps to find out the ways, or our it shows the directions where we can go. In your mobile you can see, right, Google map, right, that is through the satellite only. If you are calling to someone, your friend, how it is possible? It is possible through the satellite only for the communication, okay. And these all things, it is very useful for us in our daily life. So they help our soldiers also to know about the enemy camp. They also tell us about the outer space also, means if any asteroid is coming, then it can give the that information, that if any danger situations are there, it will tell us, okay. And one of the good things is it can take all the picture. As the earth is rotating na, it can capture the whole earth, right. It can capture the pictures of that and it will send to us. So this is about the artificial satellite, okay. What is artificial satellite? It is a man-made satellite, okay. It is manufactured by human beings, it is not natural, right. So that if we call it as artificial satellite, okay. It revolves around the earth, same like moon. Now we will go through with S3. Read the first one ma. INSAT 1B is a short name of Indian National Satellite. So when it is launched in 1983 in August, it help us to talk over cell phones, help us to broadcast television, and some of the villages also you can see people can speak using the mobile phone in that time, okay. From the 1983 it is helpful to us. And we, some of the islands are there na, so we our country can means take care of that. They can keep the eye on them. So and also it helps us to predict the weather, okay, whether the heavy rainfall is going on. These all things we come to know through the satellite only. So next question, what you have to do by reading this. Now think you are an engineer, okay. Now you have to give a speech to a 5th standard student, and you in that you have to write the usefulness of this satellite, how the satellites are useful to them, that you related on that you have to write a speech. So why I am including engineers here? Who will make this prepare this all satellites? All these engineers only develop these satellites, okay. So second question, how would the life lives of people be different without the launch of the satellite? Think that if the satellites are not there, then how our lives would be, that you have to write. Here we have completed LP3. Now we will go through with LP4.